My name is Miranda. I and will present what is the Vogel method. The Vogel method is an heuristic process used to solve optimization problems related to transport and its associated cost. The method is an improved version of the least cost method than usually, but not always, produces better initial solutions.
Origin of the Vogel method. With the arrival of the Industrial Revolution, business problems grew. Among those of estimating tasks and costs. For the reason, some methods emerged that made it possible to do efficiently. This is 1955. Harold Kuhn proposed the Hungarian method, and the same time the similar ones began to develop in the branch of the operation management. While the main problems are using this transportation, the objective is how to this route, times, or destination vessels that need minimize costs and to be able to satisfy the demand with the available supply. William Vogel proposed for this method that receives his Vogel name. A method draw an algorithm solve problems related to transportation and the rate allocation.
Step 1. For each room of column, the terminal panel be measured by subtracting the minimum unit cost element in the room of column from the next minimum cost element in the side room of column.
Hi, my name is Jared Ramses Castillo Garcia. I'm going to explain this problem. The problem tells us determine the number of units that must be sent from each plant to each of the cities with a minimum cost of transportation. Solve the following. Applying Vogel's method, find the initial basic solution. Okay. The two smallest values of each city and plant are searched and put in the row of penalties. Rows or columns with higher penalties are identified. From that line, we identify the minimum cost and seek the largest number of units to be transported. In this column, we are going to assign the highest number of units to the box with the lowest unit. We repeat the step and calculate the new penalties. We go back to looking for the biggest penalty. We assign to the box with the smallest quantity and assign it the largest quantity of units to be transported. Then we eliminate the demand from the city and the entire column. Okay, finally, we assign the units that we have left on floors 1, 2, and 3 in city 1. We give the two remaining items to the number 1 floor and eliminate. We assign the 3 units that we have left on floor 2 and eliminate. We assign the 4 remaining units to city 3 and eliminate. To obtain the minimum cost, we only multiply the new values given in the boxes.